Rocky Mountain High, Colorado. Kim had 8 mule deer preference points that we cashed in to head to South Central Colorado, 3rd season mule deer buck tag. We also learned that this unit was a resident over-the-counter elk tag unit, and there was a lot of other groups cruising around. We still managed to see lots of does, a herd of bighorn sheep, and some really great antelope at a surprisingly high elevation. But the bucks were eluding us. We were seeing 1 buck a day. The first day was one someone else had killed. The second day, we watched another hunter from 1,000 yards away finally kill his deer. And then on the third day, I found a buck before anybody else had and went back to the truck to get Kim out and see if she liked him.
What do you think?
We'd had a pretty good snow, the weather was in the teens, and meanwhile Kim was in the truck with the heater on, reading a book and eating peanut butter M&Ms.
Alright, so we're looking for another one.
Go find a good one. Don't come back to the car and get me unless it's a good one. Okay? Deal?
You heard that guy shoot over there?
Yeah.
Well, now it's time to strike hard, strike fast, no mercy. The final day that Kim wanted to hunt, and look what I found. I was working a line of bluffs, glassing down into the drainage, and spotted that group of deer with a nice buck in it. We were able to cut the distance from 900 down to 650 yards and get Kimbo set up for a shot. Vapor trails are so cool. Kim did a great job practicing leading up to this hunt, and when the chance came, she was ready.
Pepsi Crystal Clear. So mid-90s. Just found this in the rocks. Should we pack it out or leave
Alright, so I was listening to the Senate Judiciary Committee on Facebook in my car, and Travis called and he said, "Let's go kill these deer. I found you a really good one." He's only 700 yards away. And I said, "I can't shoot from 700 yards. So he said, "Let's go a little bit closer." So we came a little bit closer, which is on the side of this cliff, which Travis, my husband, knows I hate. This is literally what is the worst feeling in the world to me, is to be on the side of this cliff like this. And he wants me to shoot across the cliff at these deer. And then he says he'll go pack it out. So I'm like, okay, I'll shoot it. So as soon as I shoot it, he goes, "Are you ready to go take pictures with it?" No, I'm not ready.
But you're going.
But we're gonna have to find a different route to take because I cannot climb down this mountain and all the way back up that one. So we're gonna need to find a different route. What are these footprints?
Rabbits, I think.
We shot from up there.
Pretty good hike.
What a handsome devil. November the 10th, Kimbo gets his first mule deer buck. The pack train started off with 2, and as soon as we got near the edge of the bluff, we got to a slope that was probably equivalent to a blue or black if you were skiing mountains. And all of a sudden there was just one of us. Kim went back to the truck and I went down to the deer. Decision points. I figured it was worth a shot to just get this buck out in one trip. So loaded the pack pretty heavy, off I went. And the Qingdao buckle broke, so I had to find a way to rig things back up. I share this because it's comical. This pack is stinking heavy.
So, gotta go from here up there. Kim made it about 200 yards down the trail and decided it was too steep for her and she would let me go by myself, so I'm packing this whole mule deer out.
You're so close.
We did it!
Woo!
4 hours and 10 minutes round trip.
You're the best.
Kim has been extremely effective with our Sage Precision 6.5 Creedmoor. We enjoyed an incredible vista with the great sand dunes in the valley behind us.
But I hate cold weather. It's so cold here. And we're on top.
Guess what? We're done freezing. Look at that.
Thank goodness.
Boom! Look at this view.
God was sure showing off for us. What a beautiful part of the world. Until next time, we'll see you later, Colorado.